Hello all, in this video we're going to look into EdrawProj. EdrawProj is a user-friendly project management tool that lets you quickly create customized Gantt charts. But then it goes beyond, helping you schedule all your activities, oversee each aspect of your project, and actively track your progress. EdrawProj supports Windows, Mac, and Linux OS as well. Introduction to EdrawProj. Select New. The top portion of the GUI is the toolbar, and it houses commands related to Gantt charts. The left portion is the table pane, where all activities are placed, and the right portion is the timeline pane, where the Gantt chart is generated. This is the right pane. Under the Task tab, we can change the task name, priority, progress, and more. Under the Assign Resource tab, we can add resources related to the project. Under the Information tab, we can change the project name, duration, and add cost details. Under Link, we can see the predecessor and successor of each task. Here under Style, we can change text formatting and apply different themes to our Gantt chart. Now let's see how to add, insert, and remove a task. Add task. To add a task, click on the Add Task button on the Home tab. The other option to add a task is to right-click on the table pane and select Add Task. Now let's see how to insert a task. Select a task, then press the Insert key on your keyboard. The second option to insert a task is to right-click on the table pane and select Insert Task. To remove or delete a task, select a task, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. The other option to delete a task is to right-click on the table pane and select Remove Task. Now let's see how to format the date and time. Select Working Hours. Here you can select the date format you need or prefer. The time frame of a task can be edited in major and minor units. We can select working days as per the project requirements, and also the time. From here, the view of the Gantt chart can be changed. Adding a milestone, link, and unlink task. Let's see how to set a milestone. The first way to change a milestone is to select a task and click on Milestone in the toolbar. The second way is to check the checkbox under the Task tab in the right pane. How to link and unlink tasks. Option 1. Click on the taskbar, then hold the mouse and drag it to another taskbar. Option 2. Select the tasks and click the Link button on the Home tab. To unlink, select the tasks and click the Unlink button on the Home tab. Let's see how to indent and outdent a task. Indent task. Option 1. Press Ctrl and the right arrow key. Option 2. Select the task and click on Indent Task on the toolbar. Option 3. Right-click and choose Indent. Outdent task. Option 1. Press Ctrl and the left arrow key. Option 2. Select the task and click on Outdent Task on the toolbar. Option 3. Right-click and choose Outdent. Task Start, Finish, and Progress. Now let's see how to change the task start and finish dates. The first option is to drag the right border of the bar to change date duration. You can also move the whole bar to change the start and finish date. The second option is to edit the date through the start and finish columns. This can be done as shown. The third option is to edit the date through the Task tab, which is present on the right pane. Let's see how to edit task progress. Option 1. Click on the Progress column in the Table pane to change the progress. Option 2, hold and drag the blue bar to change the progress. Option 3, edit progress through the taskbar as shown. Now let's see how to add and delete columns. Add columns. Right-click on the first row of the Gantt chart as shown and choose Manage Columns. And check the checkbox in front of the name to add that particular column. Now you can see 2 columns have been added. Delete columns. Right-click on the first row of the column that needs to be deleted and choose Hide Column. The second option is to right-click on the first row and choose Manage Column, and uncheck the checkbox in front of the name to delete the column. Let's see how to insert hyperlinks. Select the task and right-click on the first column and choose Insert Hyperlink. And add the web address. Expand and collapse tasks. To collapse all the tasks, right-click on the first column and choose Collapse All. To expand all the tasks, right-click on the first column and choose Expand All. Let's see how to change your Gantt Charts theme. Click on the Theme tab under Style on the right pane. We can even change the color of the connector. How to generate a report. Click on the View tab, and here are the options available to generate reports: critical tasks, delay tasks, cost details report, resource cost, task work, resource work, task allocation, and resource status and outline. Click on the View tab and select Resource Status. This is a resource status chart. Now click on Gantt Chart and select the desired outline level. Let's see how to export your Gantt chart to PDF. Click on File and select Export. User Guide and Support. Select the Help tab and click on Tutorial. Under EdrawProj, you'll be able to find video tutorials for how to create Gantt charts, basic shapes, documents, and printing. Click on FAQ for all the FAQs related to EdrawProj. Under Shortcut, you can find all the shortcuts used in EdrawProj. Here, you enter the license name and license code to activate EdrawProj. To deactivate the license on any particular computer, we use this. Here's the home page. And here is the Edraw Support Center information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.